Check this out.
Where were you on the night of the bubble bath?
This,
With every breaking light.
this one,
Personal space.
and that one. Can you believe that? The world is changing fast with AI. Now you can create high quality cinematic video just by typing a sentence. Yes, you don't need to know how to edit. All you need is an idea and a few words. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to use it step by step. Even though you've never created a video before, by the end of this video, you will know how to create an amazing video with this tool. Welcome back to AI Tools for Everyone. We have a very interesting tool today, the one that can turn your imagination into video. So, what is Google VEO 3? Google VEO 3 is the newest AI tool that turns your plain text, just a sentence or two, into high quality cinematic video. The kind of video you see in movie trailer or short films. For example,
The microfilm is in your ticket.
They're watching the north exit. Use the service tunnel.
and it is not just visual. VEO 3 also generates machine audio like background music, sound effect, and character dialogue if you include it in your prompt. For instance,
according to this old sea chart, the lost island isn't myth. We must prepare an expedition immediately.
and it is not just visual. VEO 3 also generates machine audios like background music, sound effects, and even character dialogue if you include it in your prompt. Check this out.
They left behind a ball today. It bounced higher than I can jump.
What manner of magic is that?
Can you believe that? Let me show you how to use it. You can use ChatGPT to generate your prompt. All you need is idea and few words. I'm going to walk you through how to use it step by step, even if you've never created a video before. Within seconds, VEO give you a beautifully animated scene. It is made for people like creators, storytellers, or even someone that just want to bring an idea to life. And the best part, you don't need any technical background to get started. Now, if you are wondering, how do you actually use VEO 3? Here is how it works. Right now, it is available through a platform called Google Lab. Under their experimental tool, labs.withgoogle.com. Sign in with your Google account. Just follow the steps and you'll be in. Keep in mind, VEO is part of Google's AI premium plan. So depending on your region, there will be a small cost involved. But if you are lucky, you may catch a free trial like this. So once you are inside the Flow interface, you will notice how clean and simple it looks. You will see a text box right in front of you. This is where the magic happens. This is where you type in your idea. Just a description of what you want the video to look like. There is also a space to choose your visual style, like cinematic, realistic, or even animated. And you can choose what kind of shape you want, like landscape for YouTube or portrait for Instagram or TikTok. Once you are happy with what you've typed, just click generate, and within few minutes your video appears. It is so simple and easy. This part is so important because the quality of your video depends on how you describe it. When writing your prompt, try as much as possible to be clear and vivid as possible. For example, instead of saying a city, say a neon-lit city street at night with rain falling and car passing by. The more detail you give, the more accurate your video becomes. You can even mention how the camera should move, like you could write slow motion shot and VEO will understand that. If you want sound in your video, you can include that in your prompt. Say something like bird champagne or dramatic orchestra music, and VEO 3 will match the audio to your scene. And don't worry, if your first time try does not come out perfect, you can also go back, change a few words and try it again. It is all part of your creative process. Now let's talk about what you can actually do with this AI video generated with VEO3. If you are a content creator on YouTube, you can use VEO to create intros, cutaways, or a storytelling sequence. It is an amazing storytelling and visual narration. Maybe you are a small business owner who want to create a product ad or a video explaining how to use your product. VEO can help you bring that vision to life without hiring a videographer. If you are a teacher or educator, you can visually explain concept or bring your lessons to life using AI generated visuals. And if you love storytelling, these two give you the power to bring your characters, places, moments from imagination onto the screen without needing a camera crew or a fancy equipment. Here are a few things to keep in mind while using VEO3. Start simple. If it's your first time, try and generate something simple like sunset or a park scene just to see how it works. The more specific you have with your description, the better the results. Use words that invoke imaginary like froze, glowing, fast, or close up. Also explore different style options. A scene might look very different in a documentary style compared to a cinematic one, and sometimes one will fit your story better than the other. And finally, keep your clip short and to the point. Right now, VEO3 generates short scenes, so if you are making a longer video, you want to combine 1 or 2 clips together to make it longer. At the moment, it can only generate clips that are 3 seconds long. That means you cannot create a 10-minute video at a go. What you have to do is to create short sequence and match them together. So in many cases, it is better to simplify the description or break it into a smaller pieces. And of course, there is a cost. Since it's part of Google Premium AI service, you may need a subscription to use it regularly. But for many creators, it's worth the cost and the time. What excites me the most is where tools like VEO are taking us. It is making professional level video creation accessible to people who never thought they could do it. Whether you're a student, a stay-at-home parent, or a creative trying to save time and money, you now have a powerful way to share your vision with the world. But with that power comes responsibility. It is important to be honest about what AI generated. If you are using this in your work or storytelling, always be transparent. Let's use tools like VEO to inspire, teach, and express ourselves, but never to deceive. That is how we build trust and make the most of this technology. Let me give you one more bonus tip. Let's use this prompt. As you can see, that is amazing. All is generated with VEO3. To recap, first we talk about VEO3, how to use VEO3, what we can generate with VEO3, and more. We also talk about what to expect and what to avoid, and to approach this tool with creativity and care. I hope this video opened your eyes to what is possible with AI. If you do, let me know in the comments. I would love to hear from you. And if this video helped you in any way, please give it a like and subscribe for more updates on AI too. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.
This equation regarding quantum entanglement in birdseed particles is proving rather elusive.